You're a whale. You're a whale. Look, oh.
I'll bite you with K-Way.
You're a whale? Say whale. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
It's Johan, 3 years old, and Clay, 4 years old. Oh, you take a picture. You hug muna, you hug. Come on. Johan and Clay, you take a picture. Go, go, Clay. Clay, go, go. One. Okay, take it. 1, 2, 3. Johan, you look at here. 1, 2, 3. Again, again. You hug. Wow, very good, Clay. And Johan, very good.
Look, it's a battery, oh.
It's a battery.
Let's put a battery here. Look.
Okay. Ay, say bye-bye na. Oh. 1, 2, 3, Clay. Picture smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Clay, smile muna. 1, 2, 3, smile. Oh, you sit down. Sit down naman, sit down. Come on, you sit down. Sit down, you sit down. Sit down here, oh. You sit down there. Come on, you sit down there, Johan. Clay, you sit down muna. Picture kayo ni Johan para when you grow up, meron kayong remembrance. Come on, you sit down. Sit down. Oh, you hug.
It's sweet.
Yes. You hug Johan. Come on.
I'll take it a cat.
You hug Johan muna. Ay, sorry. You hug Johan muna. Come on. 1, 2, 3. You hug. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Another one. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yeah,
This
kasi
is the longest holiday.
yung mga bansa na ang tagal nila mag-celebrate ng Christmas.
What are the countries to celebrate Christmas as early?
Alam ba kung ang pinakauna?
Sino?
Siyempre, papatalo. Sabay ka sa mga ilaw! Project 6.
Si Arian, sa pag-openin mo naman.
Hindi ka ba alam eh? Play. Play.
Kasi pabaya mo muna, busy siya sa pagkakolor eh.
Parang laruan.
Parang laro. Oh, puro laro niya.
Yung puro laro kami ano.
Ano? Wow, mga gift sa school ah.
Daming ano collection na.
Correction ba yung ano mo? Wish mo? Wish list?
Tapos ano.
Wow, color clay oh, ang galing ah.